Your videos aren't getting views because you're targeting the wrong keywords. It's one of the most aggravating feelings on YouTube when you spend days, maybe even weeks, creating a video that you spend hours on, you hit publish, and then it's just crickets. But what if I told you that the reason that this keeps happening has nothing to do with your editing, your titles, and not even your thumbnails? It's because you're invisible to your audience that's actually looking for you. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you my simple 3-step method to find your golden nugget keywords. These can get your video seen, yes, even if you have 0 subscribers. This is the exact strategy that I use and suggest to my clients, and trust me when I say it works. So let's get into this. Okay, so step 1 is really about using YouTube's own data to your advantage. So we're going to start with broad seed keywords. For a channel talking about B2B SaaS, this could be something like project management software or cold marketing tools. Now go to the search bar and type in your seed keyword followed by a preposition like for or with. So for example, project managed software, and you can already see some suggestions are popping up. 4. This list is YouTube basically handing you a cheat sheet of the terms that people are actually searching for. So project management software for beginners, for individuals, architects, designers, civil engineering, marketing agencies, etc. These are specific long tail keywords. This is where you need to be focusing your attention because the competition here is dramatically lower. Okay, so now a little bit of a pro tip. Here we can see that for project management software, we have some different suggestions that come up like reviews for beginners, tutorial, but if we put an asterisk before our 3rd keyword right in front of software, this reverses the search and shows you what descriptive words people are using before your keyword. Quick question, is any of this making sense? If you're already seeing how powerful this can be, please do me a favor and hit the like and subscribe buttons. I put out videos like this every week, trying to help busy SaaS founders just like you with practical and to-the-point strategies that will really help you grow your YouTube channel without the overwhelm. Okay, so now let's get back into this and analyze the competition. So step 2 is going to be to qualify the keywords that you've just found. A keyword is only good if you can realistically win that top spot. Search for one of your phrases on YouTube. So let's continue with project management software for marketing. Okay, now you're looking for 2 things. First is going to be channel authority. Are the top 5 results from software companies themselves or from huge media outlets? If so, move on. That's going to be way too competitive. But if you see smaller channels like maybe this one, consultants or affiliates, that is a green light. It proves that YouTube is willing to rank other experts for this term, which is great news for you. Second is title optimization. Do the videos have the exact phrase in their titles? If their titles are vague, maybe like our team workflow update or 3 project management tools for marketing teams, you have a massive advantage here. As we can see, if we scroll back up, the only one that really has something similar for project management software for marketing, this one doesn't really match exactly. The first result that comes up is pretty much an exact match, but it's the only one that we see here, so your chances are pretty good. The more narrow your focus for which audience you're targeting, the better your chances are of being able to rank for certain terms. So if you can create a video that is more precisely targeted to the search query and keywords, then you have a really good chance of being able to beat out your competition. And step 3 is really the final decision. You're simply synthesizing all of the data that you've collected, and your golden keyword is the one that really checks all the boxes for you. It's going to be a specific long tail phrase where the competition has a lower channel authority and their titles aren't perfectly optimized. This process removes all of the guesswork for you. You're not just hoping that your video gets found, you're creating a video that's strategically positioned to be found based on specific data points. So once you identify a keyword that fits into this framework, then you have your next video idea. Don't second guess it, just execute it. And that's the entire framework. It's a 3-step system that shifts you from being a hopeful creator to an authoritative one. Someone who makes decisions based off of data rather than just guessing. Now you have the knowledge, but I'm sure you know, knowledge without action is useless. So to make sure that you implement this correctly, I've created a free low competition keyword checklist that you can use. It's just a 1-page PDF that's a reminder to walk you through this step-by-step process. So you can use that to find your next 5 video ideas with more confidence. Stop guessing and start using the system because I promise you it works. Let me know in the comments what keyword you're going to target first. And for more SEO optimization tips for your video descriptions, make sure you check out this video next. Thanks for watching. See you next time.